Hey friends, it's Shanice today here, and I just want to say thank you so much. I know it's been a minute. Listen, life has been lifing, okay? For real, okay? But I do want to thank you guys for just always supporting and subscribing to my channel. I know a lot of you have following me because of my lock journey. I done cut the locks off, started a whole new lock journey, and here we are 2 years later. And yeah, I'm kind of excited about it, but I feel like I'm in a new season in my life. You know, I'm in a new season. I'm a mom now. I've always been an entrepreneur, but I feel like I never really share that side of me with you guys. I own a spa. I also like rent different rooms out as well to like other beauty professionals, but I felt like I don't want to service people, you know, for a long period of time. You know, I feel like eventually I do want to retire, and I felt like there was something that I needed to do to pivot in order for me to do that. Great about it, honestly. And then that's when Bullish came about, and that is what I'm going to be naming my trading journey. Honestly, my goal into all of this is really to just share my journey from beginning to end. I feel like a lot of people say that your trading journey is difficult, you know, it takes a lot of discipline, but I do think just by me starting my own businesses and being in business for over 8 years has helped me with my discipline. And I know it's not going to be easy, but I am one of those people that, like, I don't give up. I'm going to keep going and going and going and going and going and going. Listen, I will hit a million walls and I will break through every single last one of them. So that's another reason why I wanted to share my journey as a beginner, because maybe other people can help me and I can also help other people too. So yeah, like for example, like today I ended up doing $215 today in like 2 seconds. What? That's crazy. That is insane. And I feel like if you're a stay-at-home mom, or even if you're just trying to find additional income, I feel like everybody should get into stocks. And I felt like this was something that I really wanted to teach myself, as well as eventually teach others, you know, later on down the road. later on down the road. But I felt like there's just so much to it. And I don't know, we're not really taught many things when it comes to like finances, when it comes to stocks and stuff like that. So I felt like this was something that I was given to share for a particular reason. So I think my journey is going to be such an amazing journey to watch. And I'm excited to kind of look back at it. So what exactly is going to be new on my channel? Obviously, I'm going to be sharing my day trading journey. So that's something I'm going to be sharing, just vlogging my life as an entrepreneur, like things that I do, things on a regular day, okay? The real. Some days I got it, and some days I'm tired, okay? Some days I'm just tired. Then also, like, I'm a stay-at-home mom too. Like, within all of that, I'm also a stay-at-home mom. Like, I'm with my daughter during the day. So that's enough in itself, okay? That's another job. Let's be real. And she's a toddler. She's 2. So, you know, so if you want to know about that and how I'm juggling it all. So if you're in your discipline era, your soft life era, your growth era, then we're doing this together. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on my Bullish era. Deuces.